Hello everyone and welcome you all to another tutorial in Figma. So now we are on our chapter number 12 and we'll be learning about color styles, like how you can create different color styles, save those that you can use them in your project. Okay, so we'll see how you all can do that and name those particular styles that you don't get confused. So I'll be showing you how to save your color, how you can apply, and once you can edit those saved color as well, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit those. And once you change that particular color from the edit panel, how it will change all the places where you have applied those color. So we'll be looking at all those things here in this particular class. So let's not waste time and let's get started with this particular class. So now again, I'm in the previous project or the page here. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys here that how you can create a color and how you can save that particular style, that it will be easy for you guys to use that same coloring in the next project as well. Let's create another frame here. Okay, so I'll be coming here in the frame option and I'll take the same size as I do have already here. Okay, I will keep it somewhere here. With my hand tool, I'll just move this one that you guys can see properly here. Okay, now what I'll do is come to the shape tool, create a rectangle box here, another one here, and I will just copy this one, put it here, maintain the size and the spacing. Yeah, now this one is in the center. Now what I'm going to do is I have this type of colors here, as you can see, and let me bring this file as well somewhere just beside here. So these are my color styles which I do have, and how I can basically save these colors and apply it anywhere I want. I'll be showing you guys that. And once I change any color from here, if I want to edit after saving that and applying those style, that particular color will be changed in my whole pages where all I have applied. So let me show you guys an example how. Okay, as I do have this particular color here, as you can see in the fill box, I already do have this color, okay, or this gradient. So what I'll be doing is I will click on these four dots in the fill option, come here, click on this new variable, and you can see I do have a style here. So it's telling me to name this particular color. Okay, so I'll just save this one as gradient 1. Okay, and if I want to add any kind of description, I can add as well. And this is done like if so many of us are working in a same tab, I want them to make them know or let them know that for which thing or which part of the designing I want to use this color. Suppose I want to use this color for buttons and tabs. So I can just click here and I can click here, and here you can see I do have the gradient color here. Okay, suppose now I do have this gradient color here, and now this is selected, and what I want to do is I want to apply this color in all these boxes as well. Okay, so I'll just click here, come to this fill option. Oh, sorry, I need to come here, and here you can see this particular color is being saved here. Okay, so now if I click on this, here you can see this color is pasted over here. And likewise, I can also do this with all this color as well. So in library, I just do have one color, and I can select this color as the primary color and create a style, then take this color, and I will save this one as the secondary color. So I'll come here again, name this as the secondary color. So now what if I come to this particular box, choose this or this one, yeah, and now I'll put my primary color here, and here I'll come and I'll put the secondary color here. Okay, so now I do have this, come here and put the primary color. Here I will put the secondary color, and I'll also do here the same. Let me just skip this one as the gradient. Click on enter, come to this pi and come here again. I'm doing the same mistake again and again, and here I'll put the secondary color. Okay, so now as I have selected this particular colors from here, as you can see, this is filled with these three colors from here. And now if I want to change this color, suppose I do have this one, I can actually rename it, and here is the color editing option. Okay, from here I can edit the color. And now if I come here and if I change this color, there you can see wherever I have applied that particular color, it's being changed. And now I can click here, and as you can see, it's being changed. Same goes with this one. If I come here in the secondary color option and I want to change all these colors, or I want to change the shading, here you can see I can change it from here. And here you can see wherever I have applied those colors, I can change that. Come to the primary color. I want to change this color as well. So I'll just take it something in pink, or want to just add a gradient or choose this color. Yes. So I hope you guys have understood how we can actually use these colors and save your color styles, how we can basically work on with all of this. And once I've changed that thing, here also you can see, so here on that particular box also you can see the color have changed, because this is also a rectangle box and I have actually took that color from here, and now you can see the primary color is this one, secondary is this one, and gradient is this one. Okay, so likewise we can add different type of color, name them and put description, save them in your system, and you can use it in other pages as well. Suppose now I am in this page, but still I do have my particular color styles here. As you can see, I do have the color styles here as well. And now, and also manually, you guys can come up here, create style. Okay, let me create a color style, or I do have this option. I'll directly go to the how to create a new color style. I can select the color from here. Suppose I want to save this and I want to name this as background color, and I can save this particular style as well. So from here I can also change the background color. From here, if I come and I can just select this one, click on enter. Suppose I'm here, select this color. By this I can also change my background color, but I don't want to use any kind of background color for now, as it won't look good in this page. So I hope you guys have understood this class of how you can save your style, and also how you can create your own color, change it in one place and it will be changed in all. So hope this class was clear, and now you guys can apply this in your particular file or in your application, web page, wherever you want. So hope to see you all in the next class, where we'll be learning about images, like about masking and how we can actually crop our images, and also how we can basically put up an image here in our workspace. So hope to see you all in the next tutorial. Till then, take care and goodbye.